back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you very delicious tacos al pastor with chicken that I know you guys are going to love. They are perfect for Cinco de Mayo. So let's get started. Vinegar. I have the juice of the pineapple, guajillo chilies, 2 chipotles chilies, achiote, onion, and chicken breast. This is everything we need to prepare these delicious tacos de pollo al pastor. So let's get started. I want to start by preparing the chiles guajillos. I'm going to go ahead and open them right through the middle and getting all the seeds out completely of every single one. This part is very important. You want to make sure that you get all the seeds out completely of every single chile guajillo. On the chile chipotles, I'm going to leave them just as they are. I'm going to add them to my saucepan. And I'm adding only 2 chiles chipotles. I'm going to add just a little bit of water. I'm gonna add my garlic cloves, my salt, and then I'm gonna take it to the stove. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes in medium-low heat. So they start getting nice and hydrated and soft. And I have the achiote paste, and I'm only using a little bit. Maybe it's 2 to 3 tablespoons, no more than that. Look at this. This is the piece I'm going to add. Let me show you the box. Okay, I have the chicken breasts here, and I'm going to start cutting them in little cubes, really small, to add this delicious adobo right on the top. That's why I like to cut the chicken in little pieces, bite size. Look at this. I'm going to continue with the rest. I am completely done cutting all the chicken breasts, and now I am ready to transfer them to this plate. Now I'm ready to start slicing the pineapple, and I'm going to cut it exactly almost the same size of the chicken so it incorporates completely, and you know something, and it releases all those delicious flavors. And I'm adding everything to the same plate. The chile guajillos and the chipotles are nice and hydrated, and now I'm ready to add it to my blender. I'm going to add just a little bit of that water. I'm going to reserve it just in case I need it. I'm adding the pineapple juice, the vinegar, and all the spices in here. And now let's blend it completely. We want to make sure that everything is completely blended. And now that it is, we are ready to add it into the chicken and the rest of the ingredients. Look how thick this is. This is how it should look. We're going to incorporate everything, making sure that everything is nice and covered. And now I'm going to put it aside, and I'm going to continue with the small onion. I have a white small onion that I'm going to slice and cut in little cubes to incorporate it with the rest of the ingredients. The onion is going to release all the delicious flavors, and when you start cooking it, it's really gonna bring out all those delicious flavors. Now that it's nice and cut, I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the chicken. Let's go ahead and incorporate everything together, making sure that everything is coated. When everything is coated, we're gonna go ahead and add saran wrap right on the top. We're gonna let it rest for at least 2 to 3 hours, and we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. So I'll see you back in about 3 hours. 3 hours have passed, and now I'm ready to cook the delicious chicken with the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and put them in here. I'm going to make sure that it's in medium-low heat so everything cooks really slowly, but yet the chicken will become nice and soft and tender. Once it starts getting nice and brown, nice and caramelized, let me show you. Look at this. It's really getting nice and caramelized. This is the time when the chicken is ready. I'm going to go ahead, take it out, put it on the plate, and then I'm ready to start preparing my tortillas. I have a skillet here, nice and hot, and I have those little tortillas, and I'm going to go ahead and warm them up. I want them just warm. I don't want them toasted. I'm flipping them now. And you know something? I can't wait to prepare these delicious tacos. The tortillas are ready. And now let's go and prepare the tacos. I have, of course, cilantro, lime, and my chicken. My mouth is already watering. My home smells delicious. And I am ready to start making these delicious tacos. These tacos come out amazing. I know that once you try them, you are going to continue making them. Look at this. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with these delicious pollo al pastor tacos that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy. I'm going to add a little bit of king taco sauce that you already have on my channel, a little bit of lime right on the top, and you know something? I am ready to taste these delicious pollo al pastor king tacos. Excuse me. Amazing. The chicken is so tender, so soft. It absorbed all those delicious flavors. Just something amazing made at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying these delicious tacos al pastor de pollo. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.